You've been grabbing those protein bars thinking you're making a healthy choice. But what if I told you they might be secretly wrecking your gut? Let's take a look inside. This is your gut, a thriving city of good bacteria, working hard to keep you healthy. But when you eat most protein bars, this is what happens. See these? They're artificial sweeteners and sugar alcohols. Your gut has no idea what to do with them. They just sit there, fermenting, causing gas, bloating, and literally poking holes in your gut lining. On top of that, the processed proteins from soy and whey are stripped of their natural enzymes, making them a nightmare for your digestive system to handle. So, when you eat these bars, the fake fibers and sugars pull water into your gut, causing those awful cramps and sudden dashes to the bathroom. Your good gut bacteria starve, while the bad guys who love processed junk start to take over. This imbalance doesn't just mess with your stomach. It can tank your mood and weaken your immune system. But don't worry, the fix isn't some other clean label processed bar. Your gut is crying out for real, whole foods. Think about this: creamy Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a handful of almonds. You get 20 grams of high-quality protein and live cultures that actually heal your gut. Or try a couple of hard-boiled eggs with a side of kimchi or sauerkraut. That's a protein punch, plus billions of good bacteria your gut is desperate for. Need something you can grab and go? Whip up some homemade energy balls. Just mix dates, your favorite natural nut butter, and some hemp seeds. They're held together by real food, not weird stuff from a lab. Here's the bottom line: your gut microbiome is a powerhouse. It controls over 70% of your immune system and makes 90% of your body's serotonin, the happy chemical. When you constantly assault it with processed protein bars, you're setting yourself up for more than just a stomach ache. You're compromising your entire well-being. I challenge you. Ditch the bars and switch to whole food protein sources for just 2 weeks. Watch what happens. Your energy will soar, your skin will start to glow, and that annoying bloat will finally become a distant memory. You'll see a beautiful, thriving gut ecosystem, just like this. It's time to stop trading your health for convenience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to truly nourish your body from the inside out. See you in the next one.